The 2020 Mustang Shelby GT350 experience goes well beyond the sheer pleasure of driving one, because a world of activities, information, support, and friendships await all who get involved in the Mustang enthusiast universe. For GT350 owners, it all begins with the Track Attack program. Compliments of Ford Motor Company and the Ford Performance Racing School, Track Attack is included as part of the Shelby GT350 purchase and provides GT350 owners an authentic hands-on opportunity to learn the capabilities of their car amongst the majestic mountains of Utah on North America's longest road racing circuit.
To be able to do something like this is amazing. The instructors are very knowledgeable.
They make you want to be a better driver.
Just really learning what you could do with the car that you purchased. It's exciting, it really is.
Each GT350 owner also receives an owner's kit from Ford Performance, which includes posters, a certificate of authenticity, and model of the GT350's flat plane crank with a base-inscribed chassis number corresponding to the owner's vehicle. It's no secret Mustang and GT350 owners enjoy modifying and personalizing their vehicles. At FordShowParts.com, everything from desktop mementos to certificate packages and high-end accessories are offered. Ford Performance Parts offers authentic OE-certified post-purchase parts and packages for enthusiasts who want even more for their car. And how-to support is always available via the Ford Performance Tech Line, via online chats and instant messaging, or in person at various Mustang events conducted throughout the country. Mustang has become an American icon, and the Shelby GT350 is the logical continuation of that iconic status. Fueled by the car's unparalleled popularity, Mustang-based clubs can be found in every region of the country, and online communities are vast. There are literally hundreds of clubs with thousands of members around the globe, enjoying the social interaction and camaraderie shared with similar-minded enthusiasts, be it at a club meeting, a car show, cruise, or any driving event. So yes, a world of shared learnings and activities await all who adopt the Mustang lifestyle, a world that includes the illustrious high-performance heritage of the 2020 Shelby GT350.